Learn English. Hello, everybody. Here are the two words we will learn today. Can you say number one? Very good. Lawyer. This is a person. Number two, in and into. What's the difference? Today we will learn into. Number one, please listen and write this in your notebook. Are they lawyers? Are they lawyers? Lawyers. Lawyers are people that help you if you go to court. Now we can make a flashcard for lawyer. Please make a flashcard like this. Write lawyer up here in the top left corner, L-A-W-Y-E-R. Down here in the bottom left corner, P-E-O-1. This means people, level 1. And over here in the bottom right corner, the number 30 out of 78. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. The red part sounds like oi, like boy. Correct, but with L, loy. Lawyer. Number two, please listen and write this in your notebook. We are jumping into the water. We are jumping into the water. Into. We are jumping into the water. The water will surround us totally. Now we can make a flashcard for into. We are jumping in the water is also correct. Many times in and into are the same. Please make a flashcard like this. Write into up here in the top left corner, I-N-T-O. For example, into the water. Down here in the bottom left corner, G-W-1. This means grammar word, level 1. And over here, please write the number 57 out of 135. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. In. To. Into. Game over. You did very well today. Today we learned Jennifer is a lawyer, correct. And you will jump into the water. And if you're high level, here are the level 2 words. Number 1, beside a river. Valley, correct. Number 2, this class is very fun. Yes, we learned the adjective. And number 3, Next to, yes, this means beside. It's Wednesday, June 11th. Please write your language on the other side of the card. My name is Vinny from Canada. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.